So we are committed to America. I think, our roots are at Stanford University.
You went to Stanford yourself, right?
I went to Stanford myself. It's a NASA technology. This is where we want to be, and this is where we're doubling down on research.
Oh, cool. And what do you mean by that, doubling down on research?
So our electrochemistry scientists, our R&D teams are in Fremont, in the heart of Silicon Valley, and we are operating there our R&D footprint, and doubling down means we are investing into this facility. But we also lived in the real world, and we understood that iterating on technology on scale during manufacturing ramp-ups, China is the place to be. For the simple reason of infrastructure. Our factories in Changzhou, and probably within a 50-kilometer radius, you can get everything you need in order to build a factory, to maintain a factory, to operate a factory. So the density of talents, materials, equipments, from vertical integrating supply chains, through entire factory build-outs, it's unmatched.
You're building sort of like a modular system built for scaling. Like you said, the idea is to be able to do this everywhere. So China now is being the playground to make that formula for all the other countries, for the bigger rollout.
Yeah, and I must say, for me being German, very self-reflective, it is. I tried it, and I worked with the German. I tried to work together with the German government for the past, and allocating new PV module manufacturing in Germany. Mm-hmm. And teamed up with Chinese companies. And my take was, let's reverse engineer the Chinese system, right? So the Chinese system in the 80s and the 90s were, let's open the global market, invite technological leaders into China, create some sort of joint venture, copy the technology, adapt the technology, scale the technology, and outcompete the world. That was the Chinese.
Yeah, we've all seen that.
And obviously very successful in some areas, right? And my pitch to the German government was, hey, cool, let's reverse engineer this. Let's invite the Chinese, who are, by the way, technology leader in PV module manufacturing. Yeah. Bring them to Germany or to Europe, create a vertically integrated supply chain, create a joint venture where the Europeans are in power, and allocate this know-how back to Europe, right? But we failed for the simple reason of infrastructure.